Invoice Fly app review. Is it really worth your time? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to review the Invoice Fly app. So let's get started. So basically, the Invoice Fly app is a modern invoicing tool crafted for freelancers, small business owners, and independent professionals who need a simple way to manage their billing. In today's fast-moving digital economy, keeping track of payments efficiently is crucial, and Invoice Fly aims to make that process effortless without the heavy setup of full accounting software. What immediately stands out is its clean and intuitive interface, so users can easily design professional-looking invoices, monitor payment status, and organize financial records all within the same app. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to create invoices directly from your smartphone, even if you're not well versed in accounting. So this app lets you input client information, list individual services or items, apply taxes, and set payment deadlines. It even supports generating receipts and recording expenses, which makes it a handy all-in-one tool for freelancers and small businesses managing daily finances. However, its simplicity can also be its downside for those needing more advanced capabilities such as in-depth analytics, multi-currency billing, or integration with larger accounting systems. Invoice Fly may feel limited. Some premium features are locked behind paid plans, which might discourage users seeking a completely free option. Overall, Invoice Fly app is best suited for individuals or small teams who value speed, clarity, and mobility in their invoicing. It might not replace a full-fledged accounting platform for bigger operations, but for freelancers, startups, and entrepreneurs looking for a reliable and user-friendly mobile solution, it delivers exactly what it promises: efficient, straightforward billing without unnecessary complications. So, if you're looking for a lightweight invoicing companion, Invoice Fly is definitely worth trying out. And that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.